So in today's video, guys, we're gonna be talking about the new research tab on your channel analytics in the YouTube studio and why you should be using this research tab here. So basically it's for, if you know, for content gaps that, you know, a lot of people haven't created content on it, or the content is getting old, and your viewers are looking for this type of content and it's not out there, or the content is like very old. So this is going to be very helpful for you to get more views, more engagement on your channel and stuff, because you're going to be filling that gap that, you know, it has maybe a high, medium, or low search volume on it. So you want to create this content so that the people that are looking for it, they can find this content and they can go to your channel. So I'm gonna go over the first thing I want to go over is how do you even get to this research tab here. So when you log into your YouTube account, what you want to do is you want to click onto the YouTube Studios. Then you want to go over here to Analytics, and then you're going to go Channel Analytics right here. It's going to be on the last one here. So that's how you get to the Research tab. And let's just see what they have to say about what is this new Research tab. So when we click over here to understand the research insights, so it is, you can use the research tab in YouTube Analytics to explore what your audience and your viewers across YouTube are searching. This can help you discover content gaps and is a starting point for research to create new videos that viewers are interested into. So you can see just how helpful this is going to be. Instead of just creating maybe some random content that your artists or your viewers are not really are interested in, you can start creating content that they are interested in and start getting more engagements and likes on your videos. So now that we know what it is, what we're going to do is we're going to go over these three options right here. You got searches across YouTube, you got your viewers searches, and then you got the save. So let's see what they have to say about these. So I'm gonna scroll down here, and here it is. You got searches across YouTube. This is a report that allows you to explore the top search topics made by your audience and viewers across YouTube over the last 28 days. So this data is available for the last 28 days. That's very important to remember. You can also view content gaps and the search volume for each term rank, low, medium, and high. So the next one is your viewer searches. Now this is one of my favorite ones because this is going to be telling me what they're searching for, so I can go out there and create content on that so they can start viewing that content on my channel. And you should do the same if you got it, if you know your YouTube channel. When you come in here, you want to start creating that content that they're actually looking for and going to be engaging with. So that's going to help your YouTube channel out. Okay, so that's what that does there. And then you got the save. They got a little save button there. So this report allows you to view your saved search terms. You can also click more to view the Google Trends, which I'm going to go over that. Unsave and report a search term. So let's jump back into that so we can see that. So those three I just went over was these three right here. Let's go over this one right here. Jump into this here. So let's do a search. I'm gonna do one marketing, and let's do top it of search engine. So you can see how this works. Okay, now just coming up with terms here, and okay, so you come over here, you can look at the search term, that's it right here. And then you got all searches right here. You click on that. You can look at all of the searches, or you can just only look at the content gaps only. So if you plan on creating some content and you're looking to get a lot of engagement from these viewers, then just look at the content gaps only. Okay, so now they have the geographic right here, so you can just hit all if you want to, or you can just pick a certain country, something like that, like Australia, Canada, India, United Kingdom, United States. These are the only ones they have available right now, but in the probably near future they're going to be rolling out more. Okay, so let's look at some here. Okay, they got like backlinks. Okay, so here's a content gap right here. And if you're trying to understand what content gaps is, a content gap is a way of measuring what viewers are searching for and results they find. So, content gap can happen when viewers can't find any results for their searches. Viewers can't find an exact match for their searches. So this is very important here. So if viewers can't find an exact match for their searches, then you can just go out there and just create that content around that search term, and possibly start getting, a lot of views and stuff depending on what the search volume is. And they also have the viewers can't find relevant videos for their searches. For example, content is old or low quality. So if the content is out of date, you can just pick that content gap search term, and what you can do is just redo that video for the current time, what's going on right now, and you probably might get a lot of views like that because the content is just old and out of date. We've all seen those before, so all you gotta do is just redo it, and you start getting some traffic coming in. Okay, so that's what the content gap is right there. And when you click this video, you can just save it. That's the save button right there, and it'll go into the save tab. And so that's how you use that one. So let's go over to your viewer searches. This is the one. This is one I really like, because these are the viewers right here. Like my viewers are, you got your viewers and stuff. So this is what they're searching for, right? And you definitely want to pay attention to this right here because viewers. This is what they're searching for. This is what they want to know about. So it's like getting an insight into what they really want to watch, and you can just go and just create those type of videos, right? Okay, so let's scroll down and let's look at some of these search terms. Let me jump on over to the next one. Scroll up here. Okay, how to make a thumbnail for YouTube videos. And the search volume on YouTube is high. So this is one I need to pay attention to right here. I've already got this saved right here. Okay, so now if I was creating some content, this is one I need to go ahead and jump on right now and just create this video. So when you go over here to the three dots over here, it's more. What you can do on that when you click that is you can go to Google Trends, start getting some more data. You can unsave it, or you can just remove it, or you can report it. So what I'm gonna do is, we're just going to go over to the Google Trends. So let's jump over there real quick. All right. So right now this is going like on sort of like a little bit like a downward trend here, but it still has a lot of interest though. So I'm looking at this past 12 months, and this is also going to determine whether I'm going to create a video around this or not. Because when you're looking at this type of data, you may want to go for one that's going on an upper trend. That'd be pretty good. Like if the past 12 months this was going all the way up like this, you want to create a video on this. All right, so we're looking at the interest by region. United States is #1, and you got United Kingdom. So you know where the interest is at in certain regions or around the world. That's going to be helpful when you're creating these videos. Oh, then you got related queries. So this is already to show me another video that I can create here just by going into Google Trends. And that's why you want to jump into Google Trends. Okay, let's jump back over. And now we're going to go over the last tab here. And this is the save tab. So you remember I was showing y'all where I had saved these search terms. Here they are here. And this is where you save all your search terms. So this one's a content gap here. So, you can keep a track of these search terms so you can start create content. You can just come in here and just start creating these videos on these because they're pretty good because your viewers are already searching for these. And that is the research tab in your channel analytics on your YouTube studio. I hope that you guys found this information helpful. I would love to see how you're going to start using this new research tab. And make sure you like this video, guys, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.